Jaranson tawata Earth Day, quizás un buen día para nos para un rato quieto y reflexionar para nos planeta. Tengo que aprovechar el día para hacer un acto para conmemorar la fecha, mientras otro opta para hacer una diferencia más grande que lo impacta. Nos colega Yanta Leu estava en un hotel que cada luna está dedicado un día completamente verde para ayudar a preservar la naturaleza de Aruba y nos medio ambiente en general.
Buonochi to all the Noticia Awenochi viewers. I'm reporting to you from 15 on 15's set. When it comes to contributing to Aruba's environment, continuous efforts have to be made. For more than 20 years, Bucuti and Tata Beach Resort has recruited their hotel guests and associates on the third Wednesday of every month to collect garbage on Eagle Beach. Now on Earth Day, it was no exception. Bucuti and Tata Beach Resort associates and guests gathered on Eagle Beach on Earth Day to collect garbage. 45 people were estimated to have taken part in the cleanup action. This initiative is taken every month by the hotel. The owner and managing director of the property, Ewald Beemans, adopted the stretch of Eagle Beach from Costa Linda to Chalet Suisse 23 years ago, and they've been keeping it clean ever since. He says his guests look forward to being part of the initiative.
Our guests love it. They feel they're doing something worthwhile for us, for themselves, because they are conscious that this is a unique piece of paradise. And if we don't take care of it, it will disappear.
The stretch of beach the group cleaned up is mostly visited by locals. For tourists to roll up their sleeves and pick up trash in this particular area speaks volumes.
Well, I think it's very significant in what we do here every month. This part of the beach that we're cleaning is visited mostly by locals every weekend, most of the time. So this is a local beach that we want to maintain every month. And to have our tourists that come here to enjoy the island and help us maintain our beach, I think it says a lot. I think it's fantastic. I think it would be great if we can, translate over to our people as well, to our local, to the Arubians, and let them know, this is what's going on, and if every little bit helps.
In order to create a movement and have more tourists as well locals on board this cleanup action, there needs to be awareness.
I think awareness is key. The more a person knows, the more they're educated about sustainability or nature in general, I think the better they'll have better knowledge on what to base their decisions about. So I think awareness is key.
It is up to both tourists and locals to all take the next step in making a difference. Besides for keeping the beach clean, it also helps to preserve marine life from harm. Guests at Bucuti look forward to being part of the beach cleanup team. They think it is worthwhile to be part of.
Well, we found out about 5 years ago when we first came here, and unfortunately we missed it every year except for we came last year. And we thought we missed it this year because it was supposed to be last Wednesday, but as an Earth Day, they made it this Wednesday, so we lucked out.
I think it's great leadership. I think more people need to do it. It's the kind of thing that makes a difference and teaches people about what a difference every one person can make on any given day. So it's very important.
Once the garbage has been collected and the guests of the hotel has had the opportunity to capture the moment, it doesn't stop here. Each trash bag and each item gathered is put on a pickup truck to be transported back to the property where it all gets sorted. The items are sorted into 4 categories: plastic, miscellaneous items, aluminum, and glass. Associates of Bucuti and Tata Beach Resort is responsible in ensuring the garbage is placed in the right section so they can be treated properly, either to be recycled or reused. To put things into perspective for you, on the Earth Day cleanup, this is the breakdown of the various amounts of garbage that was found. 41 plastic bags were used to collect the garbage. There were 58 plastic bottles found, 89 beer bottles, 42 aluminum cans, 31 paper and carton, 2 cardboard boxes, 48 plastic bags, and 81 miscellaneous items. It's important to know that out of the 89 beer bottles collected, 22 were Balashi. Now this is interesting because customers get a small amount of money in return when Balashi bottles are recycled and returned. So perhaps this small initiative from the company is actually working. So we should encourage more companies to do the same. Give people an incentive to recycle and reuse. And reporting to you from 15 on 15, I am Yen Talu. Now back to the news desk.
Thank you, Yantel.